people, welcome to my channel. This is Take Beauty. My people, I want to show you how I achieve this rose gele. This particular rose, we normally call this type of rose gele advanced rose. Why we call this advanced rose? Anytime we create plaiting, like this plaiting I'm creating now, at the front side, we always call it advanced rose because it looks more unique than the simple rose. Because that the simple rose, we don't create a plaiting at the front, and this type of plaiting we call it this front plaiting we call it V at the front, and V is more beautiful. It's more, I don't know, that is more beautiful, it's more cute. Okay, yes, if you want to create a V, you divide the measurement is always 40-60. One side will be shorter than the other side. The shorter side is the 40 for the measurement. You take the first side to the back of the ear, then you come back with the 40, which is the shorter one. You cover the other ear to have that V shape at the front. For you to have that V shape, this is how to do it. Okay, right now I'm creating the V shape at the front. Just create like 5 to 6 plaiting. Yes, I'm creating like 5 to 6 plaiting. Just try and concentrate, you will achieve 1 or 2 things. Yes, that is how to create V. Okay, so my people, in case you are watching me for the first time, I have different head wrap on this my YouTube channel. In case you are watching me from YouTube, if you are watching me from Facebook as well, I have different head wrap. I always do live on Facebook. I have 2 Facebook page. Follow me on my Facebook page. My Facebook page is Take Beauty, the first one. The second one is Take Beauty Life. Take Beauty, you space, you write life. So I always do live on Facebook with chronic explanation. I teach them how to apply makeup on their face by themselves. Different type of makeup with explanation, and different head wrap with explanation. Okay, now I'm now working on the 60. So the 60, I start with creating another plaiting on one side. So you just try and lay the plaiting on top of each other. So just try and lay them on top of each other. Try and do it so nice. So right now we are going to try and create rose. Anytime you manage to get to after the front side, then just use pin to protect there and pin it down, because sometimes we don't pin it, but if you use pin to pin there down before you start creating your rose, it's more easier. Okay, so now I will make sure I set up my that plaiting, the 60 that is coming, so that place will be well set up. This my beautiful auntie, she's here for a photo shoot. So she says she like natural makeup. Okay, yeah, we give it to our customer the way they want it. If you want loud makeup, I give it to you. If you want natural, anyhow you want it, I give it to you. In case you want to do your photo shoot, I base here in United Kingdom, London. So contact me. We do different type of photo shoots. Children photo shoot, husband and wife photo shoot. Yes, we are into many in one beauty. Yes, we are all in one beauty. Makeup, gele. We do the traditional bridal hair, okuku. We do the Igbo traditional hair. for the marriage, all tribe. So please, my people, contact me for your event. My number is there. I'm based in London. Yes, as you can see, hope you are concentrating your eye on my hand. So with the leftover, the small one that is left over, I will just use it to create rows. That is what we just do there now. It's very easy to achieve. Then anytime you create your rows, try and do setup. Then you try and set it up to your satisfaction. Try and put it in the position you like. It's very easy. Okay. And anytime you do your setup, the area that need pin, put pin. The area you need that you observe that you want to support it with pin, put pin. Now I want to cover the back side. So for the back side, we don't have much there. Anytime you achieve your gele, back side, just bring them together and pin them together. Yes, so pin them together. And people, try and learn. I have different style how to achieve it on yourself. This style, I still have it how you can be able to tie it on yourself. I have it on my YouTube channel. In case you check my Facebook, if it's not there, my YouTube channel is there. All styles, any style you are looking for, I have it on my YouTube channel. I have more than 400 videos on my YouTube channel. So go and check it out. I even have makeup video, how to apply makeup on your face with explanation. So I have it. I titled the makeup video episode by episode. Episode 1, episode 2, to episode 7. Yes, in case if you want to know how to apply makeup on your face, I still have it. This is the final, my people. She is super excited. Yes, so this is the final look. Please don't forget to drop your comments down for me. YouTube, drop your comment down for me, my YouTube follower. Facebook, drop your comment down for me. Yes, so she is happy. This is the final. In case you want any simple style for your whole self, for yourself, we have it all. Difficult style, we have it. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye.
Don't give it that touch, don't give it that don't give it that feeling, don't make you feel lovely, yeah.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup, love. That beauty.
In case you need your gele to be tight.
That beauty.